I will show you how to download and play Mobile Legends on a laptop or PC. Go to Google Chrome. Search Google Play Games. Click on Google Play Games. Click Download on PC. Select the file you want to save. Install Google Play Games. Click Install. Sign in with a Gmail account. Copy this link. Then paste the copied link. All Gmails on your laptop will be displayed here and select any one. Click Sign in. Go to Google Play Games. Click on the search icon. Search Mobile Legends. Click on Mobile Legend. Install Mobile Legends. Click Play. Now you can play games very easily. Clicking the F11 button on the keyboard once will shrink the display, and clicking it again will enlarge it and make it easier to play games.